Are you seeing the NPP IF64 DLL in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for NPP IF64, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the NPP IF6410, the NPP Image Filtering Library. It provides unmanaged routines for accelerated convolution and filtering, facilitating the visual manifest for localized imaging data links. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Since NPP IF64 DLL is often tied to 3D rendering, the standard fix is to refresh your graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then perform a clean GPU driver update to address any OpenCL or CUDA conflicts. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the NPP IF64 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Because a standard update didn't solve the issue, you must perform a manual driver reset, and you should use the Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as the DDU utility, to clear out your current graphics configuration. Once your PC restarts, you can install a fresh driver package to ensure all GPU-related files, like your DLL file, are correctly registered. Why are we doing this? Well, graphics drivers rely on complex registry indexing, and a fresh installation following a DDU wipe forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the necessary libraries. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like NPP IF64 DLL within your System32 or SysWow64 folders. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Review repair-related information for NPP IF64 by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing NPP IF64 was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.